Guys, welcome to Super Bouchy Kitchen, and our recipe for today is very unique and it's very delicious snack, and it's very soft snickerdoodle cookies. Everyone loves this recipe. Our cream of tartar. So that's our cream of tartar. We have basically two teaspoons of cream of tartar. We have our butter here, which is we need 1 cup of butter, and we need 2 large eggs or 3 small eggs, and of course we have our 2 3/4 cups of flour, and we have a teaspoon of baking soda. That's our baking soda, guys. We have add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 cup of sugar, and for our coating we have 3 teaspoons cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of a sugar mixture. Okay, so we're gonna be preheating our oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna mix our butter with our sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla here. This is our vanilla. And our sugar. 2 sticks. I'm using unsalted butter. Right, this is our mixture with our butter, which is 1 cup of butter. Okay, so this is our mixture or wet mixture here. Again, this is 1 cup of butter, 1 1/2 cup sugar, 3 eggs, and in the separate bowl we have 2 3/4 cups of flour and our 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. Can you see that, guys? Okay, perfect. And of course our baking soda. By the way, I add also in my dry mixture the salt there. This is how it looks like. We're gonna be mixing our wet ingredients. The reason why the butter, take a look at that. Make it's less 10 minutes, you're done. So I'm gonna be grabbing this with my spatula. I'm letting my dough here chill for like 5 minutes. Shit here, but I do use the silicone mats, and I have my ice cream scoop, of course. And of course we have our mixture here of the toppings of the, actually we coating, sorry. You have to coat it with your cinnamon and sugar. So what I do is I place my silicone sheet here on the fridge quick. Cookie sheet, I just let it sit on the fridge to chill it for like 50 seconds, so it's pretty cool. It's not frozen, it's only 50 seconds, so I just let it sit there so that I can distribute the cookie already soon. So you'll just gonna scoop it out here from your ice cream. I used the large one, but I let them sit though so that it can chill. Ready for baking cookies. So we basically, out of our recipe, we made successful 13 big cookie. Okay, those beautiful babies there are there. Look at that. This is for my son and my husband. I know they're gonna do the taste test pretty quick and eat this all with me. So isn't that amazing? We made 13 very soft snickerdoodle cookies. So look at our lovely cookies. They're very soft snickerdoodle cookie, guys. They are very big. Because I'm using the big ice cream scoop, so you have to use a small one, doesn't matter. But I'm showing you the finished product is technically 13 pieces, okay? This is again our cookie recipe, our very soft snickerdoodle cookies. They are the So these are our $2 $2 cookie in the vending machine, guys. Take a look.